Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I'll show you how to solve account restricted problem in Facebook. So if you receive this following notification from Facebook, which is your account is restricted, then you might have accidentally did one of the following reasons that I'll be telling you. So if you shared restricted content or inappropriate content online, then Facebook has grounds on actually restricting your account. Also, if you're adding friends really fast, then they might have reasons of thinking that you might be a bot on Facebook. So they have multiple reasons that why you're being restricted. They might think that you're a bot. It's basically they're trying to protect the Facebook community or the users on Facebook. That's why you got banned or restricted on Facebook. So there's a way for us to actually appeal on this. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook account here or Facebook application. Now in Facebook, we want to click on the three bar at the top right of your screen. And from here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the help and support section. Under help and support, you want to go to report a problem. And from here, just click on report problem. Under report problem, we want to select the include in report. And from here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the profile section or option there. Then from here, you just want to explain yourself and just share the side of your story and basically appeal to get your account and unrestricted again, and you'll be able to solve this problem on your account. So just share your thoughts about this one and share your side and basically appealing for them to remove the restriction on your account. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.